So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. It's going to be saying Mss32.dll. We're going to download this. So now once we're here, we're going to scroll down. Now we're going to go to this download right here. You want to go to the first download that comes up. You want to click on download. It's now going to start installing in 5 seconds. Wait for this to load. It should now start downloading. If it did not start downloading for some reason, then you want to click on download right here. So now once you have the download, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. So now once we're on our downloads folder, you should be having the zip file right here. You want to right click on it and then click on extract all. You can untick this and then click on extract. And we should now be having this. You want to double click on it. You should now be having Mss32.dll. You want to copy this. So we're going to right click on it and then click on copy. And then once you've copied that, for the next step on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on Windows. Now we're going to find System32. We're going to scroll down till we find System32. Double click on it. Now this folder is going to contain a bunch of DLL files on our computer. So now we're just going to paste that DLL file that we copied earlier into here. So you just want to right click on the blank area and then click on paste. And then click on continue. It should now be pasted into this folder. Now for the next step, you want to go to the next link, which will be down below in the description, to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Now once we're here, you want to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. It should now start downloading. If it did not, then you want to click right here. So now that it's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to click on I accept, and then click on next. You can untick this, and then click on next. And it's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And then click on next again. Wait for this to load. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been completed, you want to click on finish. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.